Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm here to show you how to find the Jochisiu Shrine, which requires you to go underneath of the shrine and get a little mission from this construct to create 3 keys made of water, and then stick it inside of the 3 altars that are right next to him. So if you haven't guessed by now, you have to make 3 squares of ice from the nearby water source. I'm just gonna go grab some from the river after I make a weapon out of one of the dragon horns, because that's what I have that makes ice. But if you only have, say, a frozen choo-choo jelly, you can fuse the first piece of ice you get with one of your weapons in order to make additional magic ice from the river. So once you've got those 3 or 4 pieces of ice, you might want to bring a spare in case you missize one of the keys. You can go back to the steward, and then you have to make a campfire. They've got some stuff nearby that you can use to do that. I just threw a fire fruit on it because that's what was easiest. And then what you want to do is the first one is not going to be changed in size basically at all. So you can just slot that immediately. Then you have to, once you've got the fire going, kind of melt the ice a little bit from the second and the third key in order to get them to fit. And you know, it's not exactly a delicate process. It takes these pieces of ice a little bit to melt. So if you think it's about the right size, go ahead and just try to slot it into that shrine itself off to the side, and then see if it fits. If not, melt it a little bit. If it's still being a problem, melt it a little more. And then once you're done, it should make the shrine emerge directly above you, and then you can just go in and get the rewards. There's actually nothing special about the shrine itself. It's once you do this quest, that is the challenge, and then you can go in and you can receive your reward of one of the blessings of light that you can upgrade either your stamina or your health. So I hope you found this helpful. It's a funky little quest, but I kind of liked it. Check it out for yourselves. It's over. You can see where this particular shrine is over here on the map. I'll show you right now. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.